Hello guys, welcome to Automation Training Center. Today we are here for learning a latch unlatch that is hold and unhold. So we have already programmed ladder circuit. So we can see this is the input and this is output. This is parallel branch that is connected with input but data comes from output. So why we take this data's this input of data is taken from output. Why? So we need to latch this circuit. It means when we off the input, output should glow. So why and how? So first of all, we can see when we on the supply and on this input, at that time power will flow in this way. Okay, when we off this input, power will continue with this circuit and with this circuit, because when we off this one, this will take some microsecond for turn off. So at that time this will continue and this will also continue. So this will latch by this path. Second is unhold, that is hold off. So how can we unlatch this circuit? So only the one way, we have to disconnect the path from here to here. So we have to add one NC in between here to here, and we have to give a toggle bit. It will break and unlatch. So this is the same circuit, but this is used for unlatching. After that, we can see we have a two inputs data, that is latch and unlatch. So this is the input, this is the latch. When we on the input, this will get latched. When we off the input, still output will latch. But when we need to unlatch, then how can we do unlatch? That's why we have to use one another run, and we have to program for that. We have already available unlatch button, so choose unlatch button and one input. So when we give the input, this will get unlatched. So we have to unlatch this address. We need to put the same address our unlatch, and in this way we can unlatch the circuit. So let's start and see how this will latch and unlatch. Yes, remote program. Now we have to run the circuit. Yes, so let's see how this will happen. I am going to give a toggle bit to the first input. So see, this one latched and this one also latched. Why? Because we have designed the same circuit. I am removing over here, so we can see still our output is working. Now we need to off this circuit. So if we need to off this circuit, we need to break in this path. So I have already put it over here, that is the NC. So we can see this is output is unlatched, but we can see this output is still working. Why? Because we have used another datas. This is 0 and this is 1. When we put the same datas, this is also 0, then it will get off. Okay, now we can see over here. So this is input and this is latch button, that is not a NO and C, this is the latch button. So I am going to give a toggle bit. We can see this is also on, because we have used the same address. We need to latch this address, that's why I have to put it over here in an latched data. So I am removing toggle bit. We can see still our output is latched, so I need to unlatch this one. We have to give a supply this one. We can see now this circuit is unlatched. So in this way you can see the button latched and unlatched. So what we have to do now, we have to go offline now, and now you can edit. So we will see in advance where we can use latch and unlatch button, but right now we have to just see the function of latch and unlatch button. After that we will see interlatch. So right now, thank you for watching. If you found helpful, please like and subscribe.